Alright, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to program key fobs for an SN95 Mustang. This is specifically a 97, and I will provide the fob number in the description. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your ignition to the on position, but you're not going to start the car. Now, with your key fobs handy that you want to program, you're going to go into your trunk. You're going to find there is a little, there's a small plug. I can't really get it to focus, but you're going to short the terminals and you'll hear everything cycle. You hear the lock cycle. Now, press lock on each remote and you'll hear it cycle. Now everything is complete. You can now turn the key back to the off position. Everything will cycle again, and that confirms that the programming is now complete. Now you have two fully programmed key fobs.